gosh, so many peg warmers.
The area Walmart is backed up on trucks. This one's been there quite a while. So I decided I was going to help them get some of these old castings out of there. I've already got this carded and loose. I picked up another. Let's see what we can do with it.
You know, Backyard Tag has a pretty good idea. I think if we all get a couple fantasy castings off the shelf periodically, we'll have better rotation. So let's go head out, grab a couple fantasy castings, clear those pegs off a bit.
No keys, push to start.
Alright, coming up in the die-cast aisle here. Stop and check out a few things before I hit the Hot Wheels. Matchbox looks like it has a few things on it. Sort of the same stuff that's been hanging out for quite a while. Yep, Matchbox. Lots of peg warmers when it comes to Matchbox. But that's to be expected with Matchbox. They make a lot of fantasy castings, a lot of construction equipment. That's just sort of, that's the game they play. New Hot Wheels monster trucks are in. Look at all the Euro Speed hanging out, peg warming. That's an expensive peg warmer too. Not one that I'll be clearing off. I'm going after just the dollar main line so I can keep those boxes in good rotation. Batmobile, 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 Batmobile. That was a fail there. Tons of fantasy castings here. I'm gonna dig through these and see what I can find. Alright, I got my two, plus I also picked up a Ford Fiesta. Let's take these home, check them out. Alright, I'm back. Here are the two fantasy castings that I picked up. My Walmart had a ton of fantasy casting. The pegs were completely full. It looks like they took everything from the dump bin and put it right back on the pegs. And I know a lot of you have had that same issue, just ratted up cards. And of course, the store's not gonna stock more until we get rid of those. So doing my part, I grabbed up a couple fantasy castings. Starting off with this one, the Hover and Out from the X-Racers. Very interesting casting. Not sure what I feel about it. Don't like it, but I don't hate it. Looks good in purple. Weird clear interior, clear seat, clear steering wheel. Some kind of clear fan on the front. Clear green base. Yeah, it's fantasy casting. It's interesting. Alright, and my second one I picked up from the HW Glow Wheels. The Sandivor. There you go, however you pronounce that. Neat little off-road vehicle, glow-in-the-dark tires. Pretty cool. There you go. Those are my two fantasy castings, and I plan on picking up 2 to 4 every month, and just to help clean off the pegs. And I think if everyone else grabs, you know, 1 or 2 every month, we'll have some better rotation in our stores. So appreciate everyone for hanging out. Hope you guys are out hunting. Hope you guys are out finding cool things, doing cool things. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
push to start. Yeah.
Well, I just noticed this. Here's the 2012 Ford Fiesta that I picked up. Check out the back tire. Totally bent axle. Looks like it's okay on this side, but totally jacked. Oh, got a candidate for a custom here. Alright, see you guys.